Good morning. It's Sunday, December 26th, day after Christmas. Just playing around in the garage this morning at 6:30 in the morning, and just kind of looking through what I need to do for the next week, making a plan, and thought I'd show you the mess I've got in the garage. So this is what it looks like. So I've got the front clip off, saw in my previous video, and inner fenders just hanging off of there, waiting for me to go to town on them, grind some of that surface rust off. Also, I brought the small block Chevy over. I'm going to play around with that, and the TH400 transmission. I'm going to do a little bit on that. I'll explain that in a second, but I'm going to tie those together and then set them and make sure that I can fit the accessories that I want. Got to put a new brake, master cylinder and booster on there. I need to make sure that that will have clearance from the valve covers, and so that's one thing I got to do, get that set up. Then along with that, I have a minor little problem with the TH400. I guess you could call it minor. I cracked it. Don't know how I cracked it, but I cracked it. Little blurry, but there's a crack right there. Can't miss it. So that's where the TIG welder is going to come in. So I've got to set that up, get that welded, and put that baby in. Do test fit, mock it up, check and see what I have to do with the drive shaft and all that. So that's kind of the big challenge. Smaller challenge is, got the grill off and partially disassembled. As you can see, we've got a little bit of dentage right there. So I'm going to take the rivets out. Completely disassemble it and see if I can neaten that up a little bit. And I can. We'll make it right. So we got to get those rivets out. Can't hardly see them, but they're in there. There's one right back in there. We'll clean all this stuff up, paint it, and put it back together. Then a couple little small items here. Want to finish cleaning that cargo panel up, get that primered. And this is a panel from the front seat back. Clean that up, get some paint on that. So those are the big challenges for this week. Plus I want to strip the fenders and get some primer on those. So that's the big plan for the week or two coming up in my little Jeans Customs garage.